Hello, good morning to everyone. In the last class, dear, we have already finished the first and the fourth part of the third question of exercise 5.3. In this exercise, dear, you have to remember these two formulas. First is Sn. How to find the sum of an 8 piece. So Sn. S mean dear sum. N mean here how many terms. Suppose n mean you can take, if I write S4, so it means find the sum of the first 4 terms. So Sn equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Understand dear? Or sometime, or you can write Sn n divided by 2, and can we write 2a a plus a, and everyone know a plus n minus 1 into d always equal to a n. So that's why we write a plus l. L mean last term of an AP. We have already learned these formulas. And third one is in second exercise we use it how to find the nth term of an AP. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If any question is given, if there is in any question an given or l, both are same. L is also last term and an is also dear nth term. Okay. So what we will do? Look at here. Third part. Find A12 is given, D is also given. Find A and S13. First thing is dear, whatever given in the question we will use it. Understand? So everyone know A12 equal to 37. Understand? A12 is 13. And everyone know if you want to find A12, put in place of n is 12. A12 as it is. A12, A plus 12 minus 1, 11. So A12 is always A plus 11, D equal to 37. Only we use it. Understand it or not? Because A12, so put in place of N12, A plus 12 minus 1, 11. So A plus 11D is equal to A12. So we put the value of A12. Next is, but we want to find A. So here D you know how much? D equal to 3. So put D equal to 3 in equation, in this equation. So it's A plus 11 into 3 equal to 37. A equal to 33 equal to 37. A equal to 33 another side negative, positive another side negative. So A equal to 4. Understand dear? Now we want to find S13. If you want to find S13, what we will write? So we will write formula. We know that. Which one formula we will use? This one or this one? We will use this one because we don't know what is the last term. Okay. So we will use, so you will write, we know Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn, we want to find what? S13. So in place of n is 13. So 13 divided by 2. So 2a, 2 into a, 4 plus n is 13 minus 1 and d already given. It is 3. So it is become dear S13, 13 divided upon 2 bracket 2 into 4, 8 plus 13 minus 1, 12. 12 into 3, 36. So S13 equal to 13 upon 2 multiply it 44. It is become 22. So S13 equal to 13 into 22. Multiply it is your answer. Understand? Same all questions are same dear. Only we will use this formula. But you have to identify which one formula we have to use it. Okay? Note down it dear please. Now dear, question number 6th part. Question 3, 6th part. We have to given A equal to 2, D equal to 8, Sn equal to 90. Find n and an. n mean how many number of terms, but it is sum of n terms is 90 given. We have to find n and an. Understand? Always dear, we will use it whatever given in question. Yes, Sn given. So this far either we will use this one or this one. But in this formula we need L. L mean last term, but L is not given. So which one formula we will use? It is okay. So we will write. We know that Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d dear. It's very simple. Sn value 90. N upon 2. N we want to find. N upon 2. Next 2 into a. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Plus n minus 1 into d. D is 8. Understand? Now we will solve it. N by 2. It is multiply and 2 another side. What is 2 another side? Denominator another side become numerator. So 90 into 2, 180 equal to n. Use bracket. 2 into 2, 4 plus n minus 1. So we will n minus 1 into 8. 8 into n, 8n minus 8. Understand it? We have to given in sixth part. A is given, D is given, Sn is given. Understand it? So it is become dear 180 equal to n into 4. 4 minus 8 minus 4 plus 8n. Understand dear? Now we will open it. What we will write? It is become 180 minus 4n plus 8n plus 8n and into 8n square. Understand dear? So it's become, we want to find n. So it is become a quadratic equation. You can write 8n square dear minus 4n. 180 another side, negative minus 180. Understand it? We can take common is also. What is common from this one? Can we take 4 common? Yes. So please take the common. 4 is common. Now please take the common. What is common from this one? 4 is also common. 4 also common. 4 is there. So 4 is common. So it is become n square. It not n square. It is become 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. Always try to reduce in simplest form. Okay dear? Because if we write as it is very difficult to take a factors. Okay? Now 4, it is become 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. 4 is here multiply, another side divide. 0 divided by 4, 0. Now it is become a quadratic equation. So split the middle term, whose middle term is minus 1 and 45 into 2 minus 90. We have already learned. Otherwise you can use here quadratic formula. Any one method. So direct I am writing 2n square minus 10n plus 9m minus 45. I split here middle term. Minus 10n plus 9n minus n. And 10 into, minus 10 into 9 minus 90. 2 into minus 45, 90. So what is common? Common is there 2n. From here 2n is common. What is remain? N minus 5. And every time I have already told you, we take some common in these two brackets remain always same. So n minus 5. So what is common? We have to take n. So equal to 0. So it means again common. N minus 5 is common. It is remain 2n plus 9 equal to 0. Multiplication of first number into second number is 0. What is meaning? It means either first number 0 or second number is 0. If first number is 0, n is 5. How many terms? N is 5. and it is become 2n equal to minus 9. So n equal to minus 9 upon 2. So there is a two root. There is a two values of n equal to 5 and n equal to minus 9 upon 5. Understand here? So but n equal to, because n mean number of terms. So number of terms side maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one never come in negative in fraction. Therefore n equal to minus 5 is not possible. Is not possible. Understand? So therefore n equal to 5 here. Understand? But now what is remain? A n. So now we will use nth term formula. So this formula use it here. A n, right? A n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A n we want to find is 2 and n we already know how much it is 5. 5 minus 1 d is 8. A n equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 4 into 8. So a n equal to 2 plus 32. A n equal to 34. So what is the last term? A n or LCM? So last term is 34 dear. Understand dear? A n is 34. So always dear, whatever given in the question we will use. First we think Sn. So we will use this formula. Then we find it. Okay. So sometime it is become quadratic equation. We will use the fourth chapter. Okay. Formula here also. Please note down it now. And dear, fourth question is also same as it is like a sixth part of third question. So fourth question you have to do yourself. In the fourth question also there is, we will make a quadratic equation, then we will find the value of n. Now seventh part. What is given? A equal to 8, an equal to 62, Sn equal to 210. Find n and d. We will use the dear whatever given in the question. Everyone know what is given? A n. So we will write. We know that a n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Everyone know a n is how much? 62 equal to a plus a is how much? 8 plus n we don't know, minus 1 into d also we want to find it. So it is become 62 equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into d. It is first equation. Leave it here. Okay, because here become two variable and it is very difficult to solve the first variable. Now dear, we will observe that here Sn is also given. So we will use Sn formula. So we know that an equal to 62. It's mean nth term is 62. Nth term mean last term. N, an and l are same. So Sn is given, L is also given. So this formula or this one? So it is better. We will use this formula. Sn is given, L is also given. So we will write Sn equal to n upon 2 a plus L. Sn is 210. N we want to find. A is 8 and L mean an. An and L both are same. An mean nth term is 62. It means last term of this AP is 62. Understand it? Understand or not? Understand it? So now 2 is here. Divide another side. Multiply 200 into 2 420 equal to n. 8 into 62 70. We want to find n value. 70 another side, divide. So n equal to 420 divided by 70, 0. So how much n? N equal to 6. N value is 6. So put n equal to 6 in equation 1, because n we want to find, it is 6. We want to find d also. Here is the two variable. So if we will put n value in equation 1, d we can find easily. So it is equation 1. 62 equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into d. It is first equation. N is 6. 8 plus 6 minus 1 into d. It is d. 62 8 plus 5d. We want to find d value. It is another side. It is another side minus 62 minus 8 equal to 5d. So 5d equal to 54. So d equal to 54 divided by 5. Understand here? Only we will use whatever given in the question and use these three formulas. Both for these two formulas same. Okay, but it is this formula will be used whenever L or last term is given, that, and L or nth term is given. Understand? So please note down it. Now dear, 8th part. In the 7th part, A is given, we have to find D, but now D is given, we have to find A. Again, same as it is there, what we will do? What is given? An equal to 4. So we will use a formula An. It is formula. Understand? So we will write, we know that. What is? We know that An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An value 4. A is, we don't know, we want to find. And also we want to find n minus 1 into D is 2. So it is become 4 equal to A plus 2n minus 2. Minus 2 another side, positive. So it is become 4 plus 2, 6. A plus 2n, equation number 1. So it is also in 2 variable. So we will make one more equation. Always dear, in any question, if it is there is given 2 variable, we will make 2 equations. Okay. Next is, we know that Sn. Tell me which one formula we will use. It is first or second. We will use this one because Sn is also given and A and L is last term and L and An both are same. So A, so it is given. So n upon 2 A plus L. Understand? So Sn is minus 14. N upon 2. A value we want to find plus L mean last term. A last term is 4. We will solve it. 2 is here, another side multiply. Minus 14 into 2 minus 28 equal to n A plus 4. Understand? Now dear, what we will do? Look at. It is become n into A plus 4n equal to minus 28. Understand dear? Now what we will do it? Here we have already make 2 equations. So now dear, we have already make Na plus 4n equal to minus 28. It is also equation in 2 variable. So what we will do? In this case, you can use what is equation 2. We can use elimination method or substitution method. So you can write from equation 1, we will find the value of one variable and put in equation 2 by substitution method. From equation 1, 6 equal to A plus 2n. So find value A, 2n and another side, negative 6 minus 2n. Understand? So write, put A equal to 6 minus 2n in equation 2. Always dear, when there is the 2 variable n and A, so what we will do? We will find the value. We will find value of one variable and put in another variable. It is substitution method. So write n into A. A is how much? 6 minus 2n plus 4n equal to minus 28. N into 6, 6n minus 2n square plus 4n minus 28. It is minus 2n square plus 10n and minus 28 another side positive 28. Try to take a common. What is common? Common is 2 is common. What is remain? Minus n square plus 5n plus 14 equal to 0. 2 into one number. It means 2 is multiply, another side divide. So it is become minus n square plus 5n plus 14 equal to 0. Again it is become a quadratic equation. We want to find n and a. So it is quadratic equation in n variable. So we will split the middle term. What is middle? Sum of two number is 5 and multiplication 14 into minus 1 minus 14. So it is become plus 7n minus 2n plus 14 equal to 0. So we split it in 7n minus 2n plus 5n. 7 into minus 2 minus 14. It's okay. So take common. What is common? You can take common. N is common or minus n. Minus n is also can take common. Okay. If we take minus common, so what is remain? It is positive. N minus 7. Always remember dear, whenever we take minus is common, the sign is changed. You can verify it also. Negative into positive, negative. Negative into negative, positive. It's mean right. Again, same as it is remain here. N minus 7 equal to 0. So what should we take common? 2 or minus 2 positive plus 2 or minus 2 minus 2. Negative into positive, negative. Negative, negative, positive. Again, what is common? N minus 7 equal to multiply it minus n minus 2 equal to 0 because it is minus 1, it is minus 2. So multiplication of two number is 0. It means first number 0, n minus 7 equal to 0 or n minus 1 into minus 2. So n equal to 7 and minus n another side positive. So n equal to minus 2. But n is here negative. It is not a possible. So we will write it dear. Here you will write n equal to minus 2 is not possible. Therefore n value is 7. Now dear, we want to find a also. So how to find? One variable we already know. What is value of n? You can find a. So write, put n equal to 7 in equation 1 or 2. In any equation and find the value of a dear. Okay. Note down it dear. Now third question is also finished. And fourth question you will do yourself. Same as it is quadratic equation will become. Okay. Please solve it. So question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 you will do yourself. Okay. And example you can try it if you want to try. Okay. So please note down it. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.